Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my NIGERIAN. So that's my house and I'll take you with me for a house tour. So follow me. So here we have this small living room. We have these blue chairs and this couch here, a table. So there's a guest bathroom inside here. So this is more like for when guests come, they can come in and sit here, use the bathroom when they want. We have a sink here to wash their hands. And here we have, we have like a beautiful light there. And here, I'll show you. We have a guest room and this a bit of things, so I won't show you properly, but it's basically like all the other guest rooms. There's a bathroom, an ensuite bathroom inside, and a bed. So let me close this back up. And here we have so all these windows are tinted. Here we have the door that leads into the big living room. So before we lead into the living room, we have a laundry room here. Here we enter the big living room. These beautiful couches. They're just so beautiful and comfortable. All these windows are tinted again. We have the TV and all these beautiful decorations. It looks so beautiful. That's a picture like that. And yeah, all these beautiful decorations. And if you look up, we have that beautiful light. These beautiful curtains are just so beautiful. And then we have the aircon. It's so refreshing once it's on. So yeah, so that's the door again that I showed you before. And now I'll take you to the kitchen. Take your time for this video. Okay, so we have upstairs, and here we have a window, very long curtains, and the stairs. You can see this so beautiful marble. It's just nice. This rail, and we head up. So here's one of the bedrooms. It's my older sister's bedroom. I'm just going to show you the ceiling briefly. And here we have my sister. So this is my older sister's bedroom. And again, this is an ensuite bathroom. So we have the shower box, toilet. If you can see, also the shower is quite unique. You get 3 settings. And this is the bedroom. This is what it looks like. There's an inbuilt wardrobe. And one of the most amazing features about this bedroom is, guys, the balcony. Yeah. Look at all that green. Oh yeah, let's move back in. Close this back up. And let's go to the next room. So next room, so this is a small living room. We see upstairs living room where we chill. It's more like for us that we are upstairs. Have these beautiful couches, a window, that light. And from here, you can actually see the living room if you open the window. They're closed at the moment, but when you open it, you can see downstairs in the living room. And again, a beautiful feature of this room is that we have a balcony. So we open this up, and I let the camera girl go first. Room is my sister's room, Christina's room. This is what it looks like. And again, I'll shoot bathroom. Next is my room. Again, we have the vanity. The structures of the room are kind of different, but these have the same features. Next room is my bed. Actually, briefly, so this is actually the biggest room. For this reason, you do have a balcony as well. This next to my parents' bedroom. We have this corridor. You can see the living room from here, like I said before. Very beautiful. You can see the big lights as well from here. And this is the window that was in from the small living room that I showed you before. And we have a little window here as well, so you can see things. So all the rooms have a net as well, like a mosquito net, which is great because you can leave the windows open at night without anything coming in, even during the day, really. So which is great. Then yeah, so that's upstairs done. We'll head downstairs and I can show you I'll show you a house tour from the outside. So we have to go outside, so out the kitchen. It's just a tour, so just follow me and like maybe I will just show you around while we walk. So this is the guest house. So our gate man stays there, so he helps when people knock. He can just go and open the door.